Hi Kalpana.
Hi, and so how are you?
Yeah, I'm fantastic. And what about you?
I'm also doing pretty well.
Okay.
So, how is
Okay.
that? Yeah,
Yeah, it's good here. Yeah. How's the day going?
my day is going to well.
Okay. These days are so you busy like teaching to children and taking care of our kids.
Yes, yes, and at this time, my mother-in-law is here, and she is not. Yeah, so that's why I have lots of work at this time.
Yeah, yeah. Yeah. In-laws is yeah, with ours. So that's why our too much time is busy with the in-laws and
Yes,
making with the different foods like
her, I have to take care her, so that's why.
yeah, yeah, yeah. Of course. You can understand. Okay.
Yeah. So, have you any topic to discuss?
Yeah, I have a topic. Okay. Can we talk on friends? How we describe friends?
Hey, friends.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm
So,
trying.
so you have friends, your best friend?
Yes, I have two best friends.
Okay.
Yeah, and
So,
both are very good by nature.
okay.
Yes, and they always ready to help me and others. Yeah, they are honest. They are trustworthy. So
Okay.
I'm happy when I get free. Then I meet them and I that time I feel very happy with my friends.
Yeah, of course.
But
Everyone
one
wants a best friend, I think.
yes, yes, one of my best friend, is at this time she is in a critical situation
Okay.
because his husband is no more.
Okay. Okay.
He he is expired recently.
Okay.
Yes,
Oh,
yeah, and
she's going to a very bad situation now.
yes, yes, she has two kids.
Okay.
Yeah, yeah, one is 10 years old and other second one is 12 months. Sorry, 1 year.
Okay. So small child to her.
Yes, yes. At this time, she is very critical situation.
Course.
And I
Because
feel very bad. I thought about her, think
yeah,
about
yeah.
yes. That time I feel very bad. But when I get time, then I meet her.
Okay.
Yeah,
She is
yes.
near you or far, so far away from you?
Yes, she's a other city.
Other city.
Yes.
Yeah, yeah. So you talk on phone every day to her.
I talk with her on phone on phone.
Yeah, yeah.
Yes.
Because it's not possible to stay at one city to best friend
No, no.
because of our native is
One of
different. Yes.
yeah, one of friend best friend is here, and second one is other city.
Okay, okay. Yeah, it's same city as living is very nice because whenever
Yeah,
I want to share something, we can go to her house and share something.
yeah.
Otherwise, we use only phone.
Yes, then can use only phone.
Yeah,
Yeah,
because in our life, some people are to have to share our thoughts with them. Like
yes,
can't share with some things with our husbands, with our mom. We can't share
yes.
some like to share freely like to our friends.
Yes, because some things we can share only with friends, not
Yeah,
friend, not parents and other. other person.
Yeah,
So, but
some memories I have to share with only our friends, not our parents. Like,
yes,
okay.
so
So they both are your college friend or what school friend?
college friend.
Okay.
Yes,
Yeah. I'm also
and
missing a lot to my college friends.
yeah, and I also miss my college days.
Of course, I when I remember these days, then really why I'm now here. Why can't there? I think thought I'm that time.
Yes, at
Because they
that time.
are our mind is very free, no any responsibility, no any thinking. Only we go daily go to college and do study and come back to home. This kind of things only there at that time.
So these things are very. We are missing all these things.
Course. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Any qualities do you like more in friend?
She is very help. They both are very helping nature, and
Okay.
she is ready to help me. And she, when in my college days, when I need to something, then they always ready for me.
Okay. Okay.
Quality, quality.
You know, some friends are in our class is very feel jealous. They both are good friends, and why we they know don't talk to me. And this like situation is happened in college, like
Yes.
yeah. And
So
that I'm very happy to someone saw me and mock me. They both are good friends and they always living the same with each other.
yes, some person make friends to see he is good in study,
Yeah.
and he sorry he and she is good in study and look wise good, should be good. Then some person thinking like that,
Yeah,
and they make,
they only
and
make a friend or
think
only
like,
taking the advantages of them, you know.
yes, yes, they only
Because she
want.
is good in study, so I can take the notes from them and after
Yeah,
leave this. Like this happened with that time.
yes, yes.
Yeah, yeah. Some our friends
Yes,
are same. Yeah,
yes,
we gain after 2 to 3 months. This guy is not like to our work. They are only fun with me, like not a friendship with me. You know,
yes, can't say that they are true friends.
of course. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
And
True friends are they are not wants anything from friends. You know,
yes, yes, they
they
are all
they
they.
only share our thoughts. They only help whenever I need some help. They always ready to help. This
Yes,
kind of
yes,
people is only friends, not others. They are don't available on when I have some help.
yes, you are right. And
Yeah.
is a good friend, like so many qualities, like he and she is honest and
Course.
trustworthy. We can share anything, and when we have a lot of money, then that time he and she with us, and when we are in a trouble, then they left. So it's not good, it's not a
Yeah.
friendship.
Mm. Also nowadays also have a too many friends, but I'm sometimes I feel they're not true friends because they only talk when he or she needs. Otherwise they
Yes,
don't talk. Like
they don't
they call
talk.
on that time they needs to our me. Otherwise they don't call. Otherwise they don't came to my home. So I
Yes,
thought they not friends like they only a people like. who wants
Yeah,
needs to me, I think.
yeah,
Some
you are
people,
right.
after my college, I don't get any best friend, I think.
Yeah, so you can talk daily with
Yeah,
your
yeah,
friend.
yeah, because
Okay,
she is also busy. She have time only Sunday. She also working. So
okay,
I talk only on Sunday. Only if
so
she's free, because only on Sunday she have a lots of work. So sometimes they did not get time to connect.
okay, so would you like to be my friend?
Yeah, of course.
Yes.
Of course.
Yeah,
Yeah.
when I talked to you first time, then
Yeah.
I feel that I
Okay.
felt that I should be make you friends.
Yeah, of course. I like also
Yeah.
nature a lot.
Yes. And when I talk to you in first time, we are having a conversation with first time, then that time I feel very good with talk with you.
Yeah, yeah, of course. Sure. We will be friend, best friend, I think nowadays, like.
Yeah, upcoming days. Yeah. So, do you have any question?
No. So we will talk again.
Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah,
Bye.
nice talk to you. Bye.
Bye.